Hello everyone, I am back with my MIgardener Grab Bag for 2021. I love this time of year. It's fun. So if you don't know anything about MIgardener, or if you do, MIgardener seeds are $2 per pack for just about all of them. And at the end of the season, they do grab bags where you get 30 packs of seeds for $15, making them just 50 cents a pack. Great deal. It's fun, right? It's fun. So you kind of step out of your comfort zone with things you wouldn't normally plant, or maybe, like I did, get something that you do actually plant. So I am just going to get into it because there is 30 packs of seeds here. And if you got an MIgardener Grab Bag this year, I'd love to know. Tell me all about it. Okay, so first up, Howden Pumpkins. I did grow these. Unfortunately, our garden season did not go as planned, therefore no videos on it. It was a whole bunch of let's learn about all the bad things this year. We had weather issues and hurricanes and bugs and critters and just a whole lot of everything. So unfortunately, we did not have a pumpkin patch this year, but last year I did grow these and they are beautiful. They grow well. They were big. It was just a lot of fun. The kids enjoyed it very much. So, pumpkin patch this year. Very excited. This variety of tomatoes has been on my list for like the past 2 or 3 years, and I keep buying others instead. So now I have them, but they're just beautiful. So the vintage wine tomato, fennel. I did grow fennel this year. I don't know if I'll grow fennel again. It wasn't my favorite, but it is beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful plant. It just gets much bigger than I thought it did. Arugula, which I do have a few packs of, so that is not going to go to waste. That is one of the first things you can grow in the spring. Black-seeded Simpson lettuce. I have not tried this variety. Flat-leaf parsley, which, I mean, can you ever have too much? No. I did grow this variety of tomato this year, and it was really, really good. So glad to have these seeds. Turnip. I accidentally grew one turnip in my life. It was in a seed pack of something else, and it got large. If you're going to grow turnip, I'd say save a lot of space for them because the plant itself is big. Cactus. I don't know why I never thought about cactus seeds. But days till maturity is about 2 to 3 years. So we will try it. This is going to be an experiment with the kids for sure, but it's going to take some patience. We have cream sausage tomato, just a yellow variety. They almost look like Romas to me. So I'm excited to try that variety. Habanero, that's the Caribbean orange. Southport white globe onions, lemon cucumbers, lemon queen sunflower, which is one of my absolute favorite sunflowers, so I'm very excited for that. Caraway, golden zucchini, mustard greens, which I have not grown. This was actually on my list for the year, and I missed my opportunity to get it, and here it is. So it is a squash, but look at how fun. I hope you can see that. I cannot wait to grow those. They look like spooky pumpkins, but they are it says Japanese variety. Here, I love the information that's given on their packaging too. There's always plenty, and there is other resources on the website for it too. So this one says Japanese variety is flavorful and unique addition to the garden. Skin is thin, edible, and it matures to a grayish blue. The flesh is bright orange and delicious in any dish, and it stores for 4 to 5 months. So, something spooky for the holiday, but then you can make like pumpkin pie, you know? It's fun. Lemon balm. I have plenty of that. It grows really well, so if you're going to get lemon balm seeds, definitely worth growing it from seed. Beets. I do not have this variety in my collection. These eggplants are the ones that I grow each year, so they'll be long purple. Other companies have them as little finger, black long, and I believe little fingers I do have in my collection. They're all the same, but they grow really well and they taste amazing. I am not going to ruin this name, but edible chrysanthemum. On the back of this one, it does say that the greens are used in stir fries and the blossoms are also edible. Italian large leaf basil, dwarf Taylor beans, white bachelor's button, yellow wonder pepper. There is a lowland wildflower mix, which we are putting our chicken run in this year to get our chickens in the spring. And I feel like that would be really pretty in front of that. Mayflower beans and late flat Dutch cabbage and Market More cucumbers. So that is the MIgardener 2021 grab bag. I'm very, very excited about it. There are some varieties I wouldn't have thought to grow on my own, and some, like the vintage wine tomatoes, that I really wanted. So if you got a grab bag, let me know. And let me know what you got. Let me know what you're excited about. And this is just a great way to just grow it, right? I mean, you don't have to think too much about it. You don't have to know much. You just get it and you grow it and you see if you love it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.